Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing well. So आपने मेरा thumbnail पढ़ लिया होगा. So today I'm gonna tell you about how to do your self facial. Give me a minute, मैं बाल बांध के आती हूँ.
2 hours later.
So let's start. You can use any facial kit which you prefer. So let's start. So very first step in doing facial is cleanser. You have to cleanse your skin. So basically I will be telling you what cleanser do to your skin is. It cleans all the impurities from your skin, and it gives you very fresh and healthier look and younger look to your skin. So let's start. I will be applying cleanser to my skin. Okay. Where's my lip? Now you have to massage it in circular motions. ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट में यूज़ करना. इफ़ यू पहले आप लगा लो, उसके बाद इफ़ यू फील कि आपको प्रोडक्ट कम लग रहा है, देन यू कैन अप्लाई मोर. Okay guys, so now next step is scrub. So what scrub does to your skin is it removes the blackheads from your this area, nose area where blackheads here. So it helps to remove that and helps you remove the dead skins. So guys, now we will be applying cream. So what cream basically do? It enhances your skin. It gives you a good, good complexion. It removes tan from your skin. So now let's apply the cream. So now fourth step is you will be applying gel. So what gel helps in? It helps it gives you a very healthier skin as well as it gives you a very shiny skin texture. So now let's apply now gel. So guys, now last step is face pack. So I will be applying face pack to my skin now. So guys, you can see it dry हो रहा है. After 10 to 15 minutes, I will remove this. So guys, I have removed my face pack and you can just see the glow on my face. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.